Hi, my name is Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com, and today we're talking to our friends and future potential clients in Encino, California. We're a licensed and bonded legal document preparation firm. We specialize in divorce in California, and I want to talk to you a bit about what we can do for you, how we can save you money, and explain to you a little bit about the divorce process. So, because we're full service, essentially we're going to take care of everything, from start to finish. That means we fill out all the forms for you. No questionnaires when you use our service. We take care of that for you. We're going to go down to court for you. We're going to file your documents for you. You won't have to miss work or stand in line at the courts or mess with them. We're going to do that for you. Number 3, we are going to fill out all the forms, including financial disclosures, schedule of assets and debts, income and expense, file all the documents, serve all the documents, and including your judgment. Now, because we are familiar with the court process, and again, divorce is all we do, we have all the court software and everything that a law firm has, the attorneys have, for purposes of getting you through the divorce. We have the Court Discipline Master software. If you're not familiar with that, it's a form you'll need to determine child support or spouse support if that applies in your case. We do that as part of our fee. There's no additional charge. We have all the abilities to help you with determining child custody, visitation, a parenting plan, and so on. Now, when you use our service, because we take care of everything start to finish, you're going to save time and you're going to save money. And I want to talk about the cost because everyone wants to know what our costs are. We work off a flat fee basis. We have a 3-tiered plan based on the amount of work, and you can find that at our website at divorce661.com/pricing. And you can pretty much look at it and find exactly where you fall in. Now, when you're shopping to use a company, I want you to keep in mind that some people out there, and including and especially online service providers, will lure you in with an initial upfront low fee, but there's lots of hidden fees. So let's talk about that. When you use an online service provider, you're looking to pay anywhere from $300 to $500 in advance to get your process, the process started. And here's how they work. You have to do all the work. You have to fill out a questionnaire, figure out what goes in the boxes, figure out custody and visitation, figure out your spouse support, child support, which means multiple trips to court. It's a lot of work to use these. They have that low fee, so it pretty much lures you in, and then you pay that fee, and you're kind of stuck using them. I know this because we get a lot of clients that have used these online services and have been unable to successfully navigate the divorce process, and they've come to us for help, and we've had to fix everything for them. So just keep that in mind. You're going to be doing all the work if you use these online service providers, and it's going to cost you more money. And here's how. So let's say at the very low end you paid $300 to have this online service provider do the forms for you. Essentially they're just printing them out because it's just an automated system. So no eyeballs are actually reviewing to make sure it's correct. $300, you're going to have to do all the work, and 2 filing fees. You're going to have to file the initial paperwork, the summons and petition, and pay a filing fee of $435. If you follow their 20-page instruction sheet, then after you follow some initial steps, your spouse is going to have to file a response and pay another $435. You now have $870 in filing fees and $300 in costs. You're doing all the work. You're going down to court. You're missing time at work, etc. You're at $1,170, and you're doing everything. All you've done is paid someone to print the forms for you, and hopefully you punched in the right information because no one's looking at it. When you use our service, we are going to be less than $1,170. We take care of filing, serving, and I know I mentioned this, but I go over it again, everything. We're going to go down to court. We're going to fill out all the forms. No questionnaires. You go on with your life. We'll take care of everything for you start to finish. And we do that for less than the online service providers are able to do it. And here's why. This is the secret. I've worked for the courts. There's a way of getting through the divorce process on a single filing fee. So you have a one-time fee of $435, and then our flat fee that takes care of doing all the forms, photocopies, faxing, driving down to court, everything. And we're less. And you can go on with your life, and we'll take care of business for you on our end. We specialize in divorce. That's all we do. We handle multiple cases per day. We have a very high volume of business. Now, for you folks that are in Encino, we are located in Valencia. But the good news is you don't have to come out here if you don't want to. We have clients all over Los Angeles County. In fact, we have clients all over California. We have a very systemized process. We can do it over the phone, via email. And when I say over the phone and email, it's not an online process. We will type up the forms for you. We'll have an appointment via email or by phone or by video, and we'll go through it just as if you're sitting in our office, and we'll fill out the forms for you. Sometimes we do it via screen share where you can see exactly what we're doing. Give us a call. We'll save you money, save you time. Divorce661.com. We have hundreds of videos, tutorials, and self-help videos as well. We also have a podcast. Make sure to check us out at Divorce Master Radio on iTunes, and we hope you give us a call when you need our service. Tim Blankenship, divorce661.com. Thanks for watching.